Hi. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, but this is 1 week of game development. I coded this in HTML JavaScript. I'm going to show you the code right there. So, it's got like 460 lines of code, and I'm kind of embarrassed by this because she took 1,500 or more lines of code, and I better eat it. Look, there's even like eating and stuff. Like, I coded that like 30 minutes ago because I was like, my deadline is Friday and I have to code food still, so I basically just replaced berries with berry bushes, and then they turn into bushes once you collect the berries. Then you can just eat these. And my hunger goes up. Oh yeah, and there are furnaces. You can build them if you have at least 30 stone. So you can't just spam the mouse. You have to hold or click. And I'm gonna make a furnace right now. They only cook iron, which is unobtainable, but you start with 100 iron ore and 99 coal. So, sure. Okay, I'm gonna work on this a lot more. So you press plus on the iron ore, and then it shows you the progress out of 100. Normally it's out of 300, and I rounded it, and I divided it by 3 and then rounded it. So yeah, nothing really happens yet. You can leave it by pressing escape. And it still goes when you're off too. So we're just gonna minus all the iron it gave us. Then you can make as many of these as you want as long as you have the materials. I better eat. Nothing happens when you stop eating, like when your health gets to 0. Okay, let's implement that now, because I'm not great at this stuff, at planning ahead. I got the idea for this once my game was going okay, and so I'm like, yay, I'll have plenty of time, and I took 2 days off, Wednesday and Thursday, and now it's Friday, and I'm like, well, time to speed up the rest. Okay. Can they get back to 100 hunger? I'm just playing my game now. Okay. I'll give you some iron. Escape to leave it. Got it. Plus. So in the future, expect me to make more items. Something that happens when you get to 0 health, your health that goes up. Your health goes up if it's lower than 100. Like iron and coal ores that are furnace stuff. Like you can add wood as fuel. Like it's already programmed that you can use wood as fuel, but you can't. There's no way to put it inside it. Like we could just inspect and say this MLT, which is a furnace dot inside dot wood plus equals 100. Oop. Okay. So I'm just gonna minus all the coal, and it should still keep going. Oh my gosh, I'm about to die. Quick. It's kind of like hectic, like don't starve together, if you know that. It's about not starving. But like in the first parts of it, it's all chill and stuff, because it's your first days. And then, like when it gets to winter, it's just chaos. I have to like constantly eat berries. Yeah, there should be some other stuff. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's like really hard to see the berries too, so that's a challenge. By the way, each berry you eat gives you 5 hunger. plus 500, not minus 5. That would just be dumb. Yeah, I should fix that. Okay. So that's my game. I'm gonna make a health booster. Health cooldown. I have him. Health and cooldown. Health. M. I am gonna have to restart this. Sorry about it. There's no saving yet, because that's harder than you'd expect. We're gonna have the M stands for minus, and the HE stands for health. Bar HE P cooldown equals. Okay, you're gonna get 1 health every 100 times 20, so 200, 2,000, every 2 seconds you'll get 1 health. So I'm just gonna say, just gonna kind of get this, because it's kind of the same thing. Oh, I'm about to die over here. Time to health, just the health minus, but yeah, nothing really happens when you die. Start health. HEMP cooldown.
Okay, I'll see you guys.
Stats health plus HEP cooldown. Oh my. Like nothing happens, like I'm just fine, and I'm at negative 61 health. Which is kind of funny. So, yeah, that's the little dude. That's the little character over the mouse. You can, if I go off screen like that, really fast, you can see him. I was pointing at the screen, and I forgot that camera isn't on.
I'll be back soon, okay?
Okay, bye. Well, it's lunchtime and my mom's picking up food. That's what that's all about. So we're going to say HEP cooldown, save. Okay. So first we have to wait for the for the hunger to go down. I can't wait for that. I'm just gonna say stats.hunger equals 0. There. Okay. Where's HE cooldown? HE there. Okay. Only got 7 minutes of recording time left, so not like I have limits, like the screen capture thing limits me. Stats.hunger equals 0. There. Okay. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh. That's... You know what? How about if stats.health is less than 100 and stats.hunger is greater than 0. So that means that whenever the hunger is less than 0, it won't revive health. So it won't be like so it won't be like 90, 91, 90, 89, 90. It won't bounce around like that. So we're gonna say hunger equals Control C, Control V equals 0. Beep. Okay. See, works. Now We're just gonna get some berries, you know. So health should slowly regenerate, which it is. So, mission accomplished, as my shirt would say. But mission accomplished. Expect more update logs soon, and bye.